we want to add some gussets to our part to add some structural strength. So in the weldment toolbar, I'm going to come up here, select gussets. The first thing SOLIDWORKS requires you to do is select the faces that will be supported by the gussets. That's why this block is blue. So in my screen, I'm going to click on the two faces. And if I zoom in, we'll see it's created a really tiny gusset down here. Just gone with whatever the defaults were. Now there are several options I have. I want to place this gusset in the middle of these two members. So down here in the location, I'm going to tell it to work in the middle. I can move it to either end. I can also work from the middle and add an offset. The other thing we can do is tell it, are we going to do essentially the mid-plane extrusion, or do we just want to go from the middle to one side or the other? Here we'll set the thickness of our gusset, so I'll make it 25 millimeters. We can notice how it changes here. And again, I'm going to work with mid-plane. You can see it shifting around. So the basic gusset shape is a triangular. I can change the length of each leg from the appropriate window. So it doesn't have to be 45 degrees. If I want it to be typical 45 degrees, I just set both lengths the same. The other thing I can do is I can add a chamfer. And what did we chamfer? Down here, and we typically do want that cut out because we need room for the welded bead that will go through here. And again, as soon as I add the chamfer button, I can set up its size. By default, it's 45 degrees. So again, I can set up the sizes for the chamfer. And I can make it unequal. I can deviate from 45 degrees if I wish. The other style of gusset is the polygonal profile. If I click on it, what's changed? We have the little flats here on the end. And of course, we can control the flat sizes just by changing the number. When we're all done and happy with our gusset, we can exit and save your work when you're done.